Dedicated CRM software costs $25 to $150 per user per month. This Excel CRM gives small teams 80% of the functionality at zero cost. We build a contacts table with company, name, email, phone, source, and status columns. Data validation ensures consistent entries, while conditional formatting highlights hot leads and overdue follow-ups. A separate deals table links to contacts and tracks deal value, stage, probability, and expected close date. Some product formulas calculate weighted pipeline value by stage. Conditional formatting turns cells red when follow-up dates pass. A simple activity log table records every interaction, and a pivot table summarizes activity by contact and type. The Dashboard tab shows pipeline value, conversion rates, and monthly trends using charts and KPI cards. Everything updates automatically as you log new activities and update deal stages. I build a complete CRM system from blank workbook to finished product, entering sample data and demonstrating every feature. The template is fully functional by the end of the video. Download the free CRM template from the description and start managing your sales pipeline today. Subscribe for more Excel business tools.